okay and they treat you real cool. And some mistake your kindness for being the fool. We like to be with the sun because we're funny. Others come around when they need some money. Some of you up and around the way, and you're still real close to this very day. Homeboys through the summer, winter, spring, and fall. And then there's some of which we never knew it all. And this list goes on again and again. But these are the people that we call friends. First up together, barely knew each other. We had no intentions on becoming love, but in no time at all, you became my girl. Me and you one-on-one against the world. Talking on the telephone for hours at a time, and else I was at your house and you was at mine. And then came the arguments and all kinds of problems. Besides making love, we had nothing in common. It couldn't last a long place. It started out strong, but I guess we went about the whole thing wrong. The sad no way, it just came to an end because we became lovers before we were friends. And the girlfriend was so tight. You took an opportunity and got one night. She even had a set of keys to your home, and you shared most of everything you own. But as she shook your hand, she stole your man, and it was done so sweet it had to be a plan. Couldn't trust her with cheese, let alone your keys. With friends like that, you don't need enemies. You wonder how long it was all going on.